Everybody, welcome. Mr. Steve here. I've got the vintage modifier menu. This is something that was removed moving forward in Blender 4. The apply all modifiers, the viewport visibility, the delete all, the system stack toggle, and it has a couple of bonuses. It has the old vintage modifier menu set up, and I've updated it for Blender 4.5.2. And it has a bonus here. Well, I'll show you what that is. You've got a Discord you can join in. You can check out my other add-ons. You can also check out an add-on dev that I actually work with. This is Sam's page right here. He's got a lot of cool add-ons, but basically what you do is you just come in here, install it, super simple. Let's pull in a cast modifier. Okay, and now you'll show cast up here. This is a quick apply menu. It's pretty cool. So let's throw a build on here, and we'll say that this is in reverse so we can actually see some of it. And it's not even subdivided, but just for fun, subdivide this just a little bit. And then the cast obviously will do some different things to that object for us. And then as this goes, you'll see you have the deletion going on of those faces due to the build modifier. So we know everything's working. Now, if I come up here to the cast and click cast, it will quick apply. I'll just Control Z back. I can toggle the stack, just click it a couple times. It'll have to reset the booleans for these. So you just click it and then it'll grab it and organize it for you. You can do viewport visibility on and off for all of these modifiers because sometimes you want to turn off the individual ones. You can do that here anyways, just by toggling the stack down and going, hey, I don't want to see that one, I want to see this one. Or you can do all of them at one time, or you can delete all of them at one time. I'll Control Z back, and you can go ahead and quick apply everything right here. There's another apply here just for ease of use. I'll have this modifier menu, the vintage menu here on the Gumroad. You guys can go pick it up. And I appreciate everybody watching very, very much. I wouldn't be here without you guys helping me build an online community and a presence that focuses on beginner to intermediate and some advanced things, because I do make other add-ons and you guys can check those out on the page. Like I said, here in the edit preferences, you'll be able to pull up my page and check out some of these other add-ons that I've put together for y'all. And I've got a number of free things on the Gumroad. Don't forget to jump over to the Gumroad. That will be the main link for the vintage modifier menu. Thanks for watching again, everybody. I appreciate you guys. See you on the next one.